Sitting let it go in the body ocean. We know how you want it. We know how to keep you wanting more.
Okay, so yesterday my car broke down. I went next door to talk to the pharmacist. Was like, I don't know you, never met. Do you know anyone that has jumper leads in my car? And he was like, okay, I'll make some calls. And the company was calling me, being like, come, we're waiting for you, we can't hold rehearsal any longer. Get in an Uber. And the pharmacist was like, give me your key and I'll sort it out. I left and I went back this morning to get my car key. He gave me my car key with this bag of goodies. And he was like, just take, like, use the skin stuff, use the, all the products in there, it's all yours. He's also the receipt for the warranty of the new battery, that car battery that I had to buy you.
He paid for your battery?
It's on the house.
Oh my god!
He's like, is that okay? And I was like, no, that's not okay. I can't accept that. I don't even know you.
Oh god.
He's like, honestly, let me do this for you. I feel like I need to do something good for someone today, and let it be you. Is that the best story you've ever heard?
Keep you wanting